Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start establishing credit history with Wells Fargo, full guide step by step clearly. To start establishing credit history with Wells Fargo, first, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements. Research the different types of credit products offered by Wells Fargo. Consider applying for a secured credit card if you have no established credit history. Gather necessary documentation, such as your social security number and proof of income. Visit the Wells Fargo website or a local branch to initiate your application. Complete the online application form or speak directly with a representative. Be prepared to provide personal information, including your address and employment details. Review the terms and conditions of the credit product you are applying for. Submit your application and wait for a decision from Wells Fargo. If approved, activate your card as soon as you receive it. Make small purchases to begin using your credit responsibly. Always pay your bill on time to build a positive credit history. Keep your credit utilization ratio low by not exceeding 30% of your credit limit. Monitor your credit score regularly to track your progress. Consider adding other types of credit, such as a personal loan, to diversify your credit profile. Be patient, as building a good credit history takes time and consistency. Utilize Wells Fargo's online banking tools to manage your account effectively. Stay informed about tips and resources offered by Wells Fargo to improve your credit score. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.